This short tutorial is for ELITE users who have an external visual system. On the host side, or the ELITE main computer, there's a program called the ELITE Scada Client, which automatically pops up on the desktop. This client program will allow you to remotely start Prepare 3D on the visual computer by simply with the mouse clicking on the green tab, coming across to Prepare 3D Visual Start and start Prepare 3D. Prepare 3D will now boot up on the visual computer. You can also turn off P3D the same way by selecting Stop. The Scada client can be also used to turn off remotely the visual computer without having to use your keyboard or mouse. Just confirm it and the visual computer will shut down. The host computer or the main computer can now be turned off the normal way.